The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 14, verse 35.
My Lord, make this city Mecca secure, and keep me and my sons away from worshipping idols.
If a Muslim desires to make their environment, such as their home and local community, secure from the punishment of Allah, the Exalted, they must firstly obey Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and being patient with destiny, according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. They must ensure they fulfill the important duty of commanding good and forbidding evil, according to knowledge, in a gentle way, to those around them, especially their relatives, as the way people, as a whole, behave, will influence the environment, in a negative or positive way. This is an important duty, as a person adopts the characteristics of their companion, which is indicated in a narration found in Sunnah, Abu Dawud, number 4833. If people misbehave without being warned, this behavior will eventually affect others in one's home and society in a negative way. The next part indicates the importance of leading by example, as one will be extremely ineffective in guiding and aiding others if they fail to act on their own advice. If one observes the righteous predecessors, they will clearly see how they acted on their advice more strictly than anyone else. Not fulfilling this important duty is one of the main reasons why the strength of Islam has weakened over time, even though the number of preachers and those who advise others has increased steadily. If one desires to guide others, especially their dependents, which is mentioned in the next part of this supplication, then they must lead by example, by practically implementing the teachings of Islam. The final part refers to all acts of disobedience, not just polytheism. In reality, whenever one disobeys Allah, the Exalted, they have obeyed their desires over the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, and therefore have taken their desires as their Lord. This must be avoided at all costs. Chapter 45, verse 23.
Have you seen he who has taken as his God his own desire,